Hey, hi all. This is Ram. In this video, we will learn about introduction to the Selenium automation. Uh, First of all, we need to learn about the uh, automation testing. Okay, what is automation testing? Testing is nothing but to automate the execution of manually designed test cases without any human interaction. Okay, see, in manual testing, okay, we have test plan. Okay, in test plan we have uh, scenarios. Okay, based on the scenarios we have to prepare test cases, right? Okay, whatever the test cases we have, in these test cases we have unique steps. Okay, so we have to automate the scenarios which are prepared by manually. Okay, so we need to automate those things. Okay, step by step. Next, what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source tool. Okay, uh, see, here I have prepared a few important things about the Selenium. Selenium is an open source tool. It is interacting with HTML elements only. Okay, I mean Selenium is interacting with web-based applications only. Okay, down the line we will learn different types of web application. Okay, it is HTML elements. Okay, means it is interacting with web applications only. See, Selenium has capabilities to execute the scripts across the different browsers. Okay, we have in market we have different kinds of browsers. Okay, usually using Chrome, Edge, and Firefox and Safari. These are the Opera. These are the main browsers, right? So we have to, I mean, Selenium has to be test that whatever. For example, if you are working with some application, just assume that example that is Amazon application or Flipkart application. Just assume that. Okay, you have to test that Amazon or Flipkart, so whatever the application you have worked, we need to test that application capability, browser capability. If the application is fit in the Chrome browser, how the application is working in Chrome browser, how the application is working in Edge browser, how the application is working in Firefox browser. So we need to execute the scripts in those all browsers, and we need to learn, we need to know how the application is performing in those browsers. Okay, Selenium give this feature. Okay, next, can execute the scripts on various operating systems. Okay, not only browsers, we can execute the scripts in Windows, Unix, Linux, and OS platforms. And next, can execute the tests in parallel. See, for example, we have 10 test cases. Okay, we need to execute those 10 test cases at one time parallelly. Okay, by using the Selenium grid. Okay, in Selenium we have, it is a suite. Okay, Selenium is suit. In previously we have under Selenium we have RC, WebDriver, IDE, Grid. Okay, now RC, it is located in Selenium WebDriver. Now it is treated as a one Selenium. Okay, so now we have Selenium in Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Okay, so Grid is supporting this parallel execution. Okay, next, Selenium helps to automate the web application. See, I was already told that in this step. See, okay, next, types of applications. Okay, uh, see, usually we have three types of applications. One is native applications, second one is web applications, and third one is web hybrid web application. Okay, means a application database located at system only. Okay, native application means, for example, calculator. Okay, application, this database, where it is located usually. Okay, in our desktop or laptop we have, or mobile we have calculator, right? Though that calculator database, where it is located, in mobile or desktop, right? So that is nothing but the native applications. And web applications, web application means Flipkart online shopping, and Amazon shopping application, and banking applications, some GST applications. These are treated as a web applications. Okay, uh, I'm a application database located at cloud only. Okay, these web application database not located in our machine. Okay, it is located at cloud database. Okay, those applications treated as a web application. Next, hybrid web application. What is hybrid web application? Like Google Chrome, Google Chrome browser, and Edge browser, uh, and Google Drive, Gmail. Okay, these kind of applications, database, some of the database maintained at cloud as well as in our local. Okay, those applications treated as a hybrid web applications. And next, Selenium Components. I was already told you initially, Selenium has a RC IDE and RC IDE WebDriver grid. Okay, now we have Selenium RC is merged at Selenium WebDriver, so we treat it as Selenium WebDriver now. Selenium, next one is Selenium grid and IDE. Okay, so we usually using the Selenium WebDriver and Selenium grid. Okay, for parallel execution we use Selenium grid, and for to test the compatibility of the platforms and browser compatibility, we use the Selenium grid and Selenium WebDriver. Yeah. Now, introduction to the Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver. What is WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver. Selenium is the WebDriver. Means WebDriver means it is the interface. Okay. Basically, it is the interface. Okay. We know in OOPS concepts. We know interface. What is interface? Okay. Selenium is the one of the interface. Means generally interface means what is the interface. Interface only we have a declaration. Okay, similarly here WebDriver have a declaration. So if it is an interface, how we have to use the to automate the applications? See, if you work with the Chrome browser, we have a Chrome browser driver class. Okay, whatever the things has to be in WebDriver, if you work with Chrome driver, okay, we have to implement those in WebDriver concepts in the by using the Chrome driver class. Similarly, if you work with Edge, okay, if you work with Edge, uh, down the line I will explain the script and part. So just I'm giving one example here. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. See, this is the example. WebDriver is the interface, driver is the object, variable object, and new is the operator. Chrome driver is the class. If you work with Chrome driver, you have to declare like this. Okay. If you work with Edge driver, you have to declare Edge driver here. Okay. What are the things has to be implemented in a WebDriver? Those are implemented. Those are implemented by the class Chrome driver class. Okay. If you work with Firebase, you can here mention your Gecko driver. Okay, like Safari. See. So this is the introduction about the Selenium. I hope you all understand this topic. Please share, subscribe, and keep on my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.